Hi, this is Scott Brown with a PTEN review of the Autel IA800 Intelligent 3D Camera Kit, which can be easily added to the Autel ADAS red frame. Now, this new retrofit kit not only allows the technician to quickly position targets in Z-space around the vehicle, but more importantly, allows one to quickly verify the wheel alignment angles prior to commencing on a static calibration. Now, most of the advanced driver assistance systems found on today's vehicles are dependent on the thrust angle as referenced to the center line of the vehicle. And this is why you see many of the OEMs referencing wheel alignment verification alongside many of the camera and radar calibration procedures found within service information. Now, for those interested in performing ADAS calibrations both accurately and efficiently, one can leverage the power of this new feature and quickly assess the vehicle's wheel alignment metrics. Now, after properly mounting all four of the supplied wheel head targets, the Autel red frame is now ready to quickly measure the critical wheel alignment angles of the vehicle. Once the red frame is properly positioned in front of the vehicle, the technician can carry the MaxiSys tablet to the back of the vehicle and follow the rollout procedure. And within a minute or two, we'll have the alignment readings logged into the tool, ready for the next step, performing the proper static calibration. Oh, and one final point. I was able to carry out the wheel alignment audit and static camera calibration with the vehicle positioned as shown between an above-ground lift. So if you're pressed for space, this tool is rather versatile. Now, as you can see, Autel continues to innovate its products, bringing more efficiency to the technician's workflow. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.